The bakery smelled like warm sugar and fresh bread. Soft light entered through the front glass. Two boys stood side by side near the counter. Both were 16, both wore worn jackets, both had empty stomachs. Their names were Evan and Noah. They had grown up together in the same neighborhood, same streets, same schools, same struggles. Yet inside, they were very different, growing up with less. Evan and Noah lived in small apartments above old shops. Their parents worked long hours. Money was always tight. Birthdays were simple. Toys were rare. New clothes came once a year. But they never complained as children. They learned early to accept whatever came. Still, as they grew older, their minds changed. Two ways of seeing. Noah noticed small joys: sunlight on his window, hot tea in cold weather, a funny video on his old phone. Evan noticed absence: better shoes on other kids, new phones, big houses. He compared silently. Every comparison made him heavier inside. The cake incident. That afternoon, the bakery owner felt kind. He gave each boy a slice of chocolate cake. Not a big slice, just enough to taste sweetness. Noah held his plate carefully. His eyes lit up. Evan looked at his slice, then at Noah's, then at the display behind the counter. Full cakes, cream layers, decorations. His smile faded. Noah's moment. Noah sat near the window. He closed his eyes. He took one slow bite. He smiled. "Wow," he whispered. He didn't rush. He enjoyed every crumb, every second. He felt lucky. Someone had given him cake for free. That was enough. Evan's thought. Evan sat beside him, but he didn't taste joy. He stared at the empty part of his plate. He thought, why only one slice? Why not the whole cake? Why are others getting more? His bite felt dry. His heart felt heavy. Same cake, different reality. They received the same thing, but lived two different experiences. Noah focused on what he had. Evan focused on what was missing. That moment quietly shaped their future. Years passed. Life moved forward. School ended. Work began. Both earned little. Both were tired. But Noah returned home with stories. Evan returned home with complaints. Noah's small gratitude habit. Every night, Noah wrote 3 things he appreciated. Sometimes it was warm food, a joke at work, a peaceful walk. Nothing big, just real. Slowly, his mind changed. He became calmer. He smiled more. People noticed. Customers liked him. His boss trusted him. Evan's growing frustration. Evan scrolled social media every night. Luxury cars, perfect couples, vacation photos. He felt behind. He felt cheated. He blamed luck. He blamed society. He blamed everyone, but never his focus. Opportunity knocks softly. One day, Noah's boss offered him training, a chance to learn electronics. Noah accepted immediately. He studied at night. He practiced after work. It was hard, but he felt grateful for the chance. Evan heard about the same program. He said, only lucky people succeed. He didn't apply. Different paths. 2 years later, Noah became a technician.
His income doubled. He moved into a better apartment. He sent money home. Evan stayed at the warehouse. Same pay, same anger, same comparisons. The reunion. One evening, they met again at the old bakery. Same place, same smell, different lives. Noah ordered coffee. Evan ordered nothing. They talked about the past. Evan sighed. "You're lucky," Evan said. Noah looked confused. "Lucky?" "Yes," Evan replied. "Everything worked for you." Noah stayed silent for a moment, then spoke softly. "No, I just focused on what I had." A difficult truth. Evan frowned. "That's just positive talk." Noah shook his head. "No, Evan, it's practice." He pointed at the counter. "Remember the cake?" Evan nodded. "You were angry. I was grateful. Evan looked away. Noah continued. That day taught me something. Noah's lesson. When you focus on what's missing, Noah said, you train your mind to see lack everywhere. When you focus on what you have, you train your mind to find opportunities. Evan stayed quiet. The invisible magnet. Noah explained, gratitude doesn't change the world, it changes you. And when you change, the world responds differently. People trusted Noah. People helped Noah. Not because he was special, because his energy was different. Evan's wall. Evan felt something break inside. He realized how much time he had wasted, not because life was unfair, but because he kept staring at empty space. He had jobs, health, friends, but he never noticed. The turning point. That night, Evan went home. He turned off his phone. He sat alone. He thought about the slice of cake. He thought about Noah. He wrote one sentence. I am alive. It felt strange, but it was true. Small steps. The next morning, Evan thanked the bus driver. He cleaned his room. He cooked simple food. He felt awkward, but something shifted. The following week, he applied for training. He failed once, tried again. Slowly, life started moving. Healing takes time. Evan didn't become successful overnight, but he became calmer. He stopped comparing. He stopped scrolling endlessly. He started noticing blue skies, fresh air, quiet mornings, rebuilding. Months later, Evan got accepted into a skill program. He worked harder than ever, not from anger, from appreciation. He remembered Noah's words, focus on what you have. The brain learns what you feed it. If you feed it lack, it finds problems. If you feed it gratitude, it finds solutions. Evan finally understood. Years later, Noah and Evan met again. Both successful, both peaceful. They ordered cake. This time, Evan smiled at his slice. He didn't look at the display. He tasted slowly, just like Noah once did. Evan spoke softly. I wasted so many years looking at empty space. Noah replied, but you learned. That's what matters. Final truth. Happiness is not about having more. It is about seeing enough. Message for you. Right now, you have something. Breath, time, ability, opportunity. But if your eyes stay on what's missing, you will miss what's growing. Closing words. The world gives everyone slices. Some people cry over the missing part. Some people enjoy the piece they hold. Choose wisely, because your focus today creates your tomorrow.
Please subscribe and support me to make more videos for you. Thank you.